Hi guys, and I'm with Ella again. Yeah, okay. And we're going to be editing each other in this app. And so one of us is going to close our eyes, and then when they're done, we're going to see if we like it, and if we don't, then
sad.
Yeah. Okay. Right, so I'm going to do the edit first. Scoot. Just close your eyes and make sure just don't open them. I have video proof if you open your eyes. No. Oh wait.
Can I open my eyes if I look down?
No.
No.
Just to make sure. I'm gonna be in this picture. Good. Of Ella's work account. Gonna be pretty cool. Okay.
Sorry, I had to open my eye. But I didn't say.
Good.
Because there was something
We want something cool, like this. Yeah. I can give you pig skin.
No!
Oh, that's hilarious. I can make you a, what is that actually? Seppi. I'm gonna do Seppi then. Senpai. Senpai. I want my senpai.
Senpai.
7 of pie.
What are we having for dessert, actually?
No. That looks like a really old picture. And also you are allowed to use other screenshots of other people.
Okay.
So I'm going to use a screenshot of something weird. Oh, I know. Keep your eye on the wall. Okay. Okay.
I wish your room was a loft. Don't worry.
I wish your room was the loft.
Yeah, that would be really cool. Like you have a bed there, and so you have something there, and you have a ladder to go there.
That's true.
Have you already done?
I did it wrong. Your name wrong.
Is this the penguin on the shelf?
Yeah.
Oh no, I touched it, so I lose its magic. Haha, suck.
You will have no magic. Dunch! 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 And take this.
Let me under your skin.
I don't know why I took another picture of you. A screen recording. Or where is that? I know I'm bad at this.
I like the wanted one.
Yeah, that was cool. Oh, that looks so cool. And then we're gonna put a title for it. I'm almost done, so don't worry.
Xbox 360.
Great. Done.
Steel hearts. What is that supposed to mean? No offense.
So, do you see these two people? Yourself? It
Okay.
means they like steal each other's hearts.
Right, now you... Oh, okay, that makes sense now. Right, now you go over there.
Wait, we need to take another screenshot of this so I can save it. Because why not? And I'm too lazy to press download and I like doing it like this. Okay, right. Right.
We do everything. I'm going to go over here because I never like to do. Alright, time to move the webcam. Hello, everyone. Hello. Yes, screens.
And
by the way, I can't see. I'm sitting down. Oh, God, loads of books shower upon me. Oh, God. Pokemon cards. That came out of nowhere. It looked like a book. Fly. Fly, my beauty, fly. Right, now you need to go over there.
Moving you about.
I'm thinking
all
of
time.
selling that online.
What?
Really big card of Pokemon.
Oh, you should.
Because I hate Pokemon. No
Yeah,
offense.
I think everyone does, to be honest.
That's like the old-fashioned stuff. That's
Why
like
is this not
90s. I'm just kidding. It's
Oh,
2007. Well, it's 2016 actually.
Alright, let's see. I like this one. Come on, share.
You know there's a camera there, so you can speak to it.
I know.
Or computer even.
Where would this
How do you do what again?
hold on. Now I need to delete all of this.
Oh,
No,
great.
Steel Hearts one. Make it disappear. Make it disappear. Make it.
How about show the love by liking and subscribing? Hmm?
Yeah, you do that. Okay. Now I need to add a picture. Upload an image from computer or a MacBook.
Tell me when you're done.
Is this it? Yes.
Is it done?
No!
Oh. I'm just like, oh.
You took a long time, so don't. So.
Okay, take your time. Don't go too slow.
I'm going as quick as possible.
Yeah, I was trying to go.
Who the hell is this guy?
The hell is your guy?
You guy. This works perfect. But it's
I'm
why.
tempted to just go.
Hello.
I can't. Sorry, I just like humming creepy sounds. Yeah, I can do that whistle.
Howdy. Help one people. Right now I need to a little bit of body text. Okay.
Oh, I could just go. I want to see now. Okay. No.
I want to get the perfect fonts. Okay, that will be perfect. Make it rain, go make it rain, make it rain. Oh, that's a little upsetting.
I could literally just sleep.
Yeah, that's what I said. When you're so tired.
Crystals.
I'm gonna just press this one because it's gonna work.
Ow, this really is painful, this position. Ow. Oh god, I got this position. Wait. I'm not. Can you give me my book? Oh wait, no, no. I won't look. I'm not looking. I'm just gonna grab my book so I can read it. It's called Hollow City, the second novel of
Yes.
Peregrine's Peculiar Children.
Oh my god, I love that film.
Yes, very creepy.
Yeah. Those
I got
zombie
very
thingy
scared.
majiggies.
Huh?
Oh, don't worry.
Sorry. Oh my god, it smells. These pages smell like lemon. It smells so good. That sounds so wrong.
Make it ring, make it ring.
You know, I can't be able to read.
Sorry for like that. Okay,
Done?
I'm now done.
I'm in 3. Whoa!
Amazeballing. No, this will look better. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Wait, you can change it black. Yeah, I was going to, but that looks cool now. Whoa! Hello. Is it to your likings? Yeah. Why does that keep going? Stop going on. Okay, never mind. Yes. Yes. Liking. Now, do you like mine?
Yes.
That is good. I think I'm going to end off the episode here. Right, we're going to make a new one in a few minutes' time, so stay tuned, post notifications, subscribe, like this video. If you don't... Yes. Okay, so that's it. Bye, guys. Bye.